What's up, YouTube? We're in the classroom today. We're making wires. Get out of here, kid. I don't want to see your face on my YouTube ever again.
Who is that?
Who is that? I don't even know.
I don't know that.
Alright, anyways, so what are we doing today? Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to build a wire. So first, you need your wire cutters. And then you go. Plop that off.
You break the wire that's already working fine.
Alright.
There you go.
Now you take your wire stripper, put it like about there, and then just. There you go. Now you got your wires, right? Then there's this little piece of gay fabric that you want to get rid of, so you take that white piece right there, just cut it off. Alright. Now, there's going to be 4 pairs.
Before the beef?
There's an orange pair, a brown pair, a blue pair, and a green pair. And what you do is you unwind the 2.
How you doing, YouTube?
No, you're not on this video.
Doing good?
You have your own channel.
You're not in here. You're interrupting my... I'm trying to do a tutorial.
Edit it out, right?
Nope.
With your iPhone?
Shut up.
We actually use
DaVinci.
We use that.
Yeah, we use DaVinci to edit.
Don't!
Just like that, everyone. Look at that.
Straighten it out.
Alright,
Maybe straighten you out because you're.
so I gotta do this
Oh,
quicker.
I got roasted.
You can't say that on YouTube.
We have to cut that out.
I'll bleep it out.
All right.
Alright.
Please stop the whole phrase.
Alright.
You're gonna run out of space. Why aren't you using the rear-facing camera?
Alright.
Then you have this.
Take
Straighten it
your
out.
pairs.
You don't have to straighten it out. It's kind of if you do.
What? Yeah, you do.
You take a screwdriver and just put it on the wire and then pull out like that. Don't do what he just did. He's being kind of dumb right now.
That's not true.
We didn't get our daily food review in, so.
I want to review this.
What's the purpose of
Alright.
this? I'm sure there's so many tutorials that are
So
professionally
now,
done.
this is the other side, and we're gonna follow the color code. So the color code is it's orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, then brown.
Yeah, how? Oh, blur this.
We'll
Alright.
use Sony Vegas.
So now what you do is you take.
I don't like Sony.
It starts off with orange, white.
I'm stepping on my
So you
wire.
take this and you hold it like that. Now you go orange, white to orange.
I have faith in it. That's because
Right.
didn't really have the smug attitude.
That's screwdriver.
It depends on what they're making.
To
Yeah.
Why are we talking about Han Solo's
green, white.
Because he doesn't have faith because he doesn't smile right.
So it alternates white
He is
color,
also-
white color, white color, and so on.
Blur out.
All right. I'm gonna blur everyone out in a second.
Blur the whole screen.
I think we have to restart.
All right. So now you take this and you just straighten them out again because Caleb
time
messed
wasn't
me
good.
up.
How did I mess you up? How?
You're f***ing.
That's right.
You're the. We're in school. I don't know what you expect.
I'd rather be
This is not
watching.
school. This is actually our lab.
This is our
tutorial.
lab, yeah. We'll be making more videos from here. So,
I just dropped that.
Oh.
and you cut that.
Does not want to straighten out. It's annoying me.
I almost.
Cut down to about like here, and you want to make sure it's flat. This camera This camera sucks. All right, anyways.
Hey, can I steal like one of the?
So I take this back,
No.
right,
Dan, do you have another head that I can borrow?
and I put it in here. So you want to have the.
No. Oh, okay. Can I use this?
No,
Why?
it's mine.
That's mine.
All right, fine.
Tip facing down, the tab, and then you
Okay,
put it,
screw me up.
just stick it in there like this.
Got the least start.
White, orange. They messed this up.
This like this, and you just
What's it called?
tab facing down.
What's it called?
Active steel. Okay.
What's active steel?
Yeah, what's active steel?
What is that? Remember the guy who did the hate comment? That was insanely well with his grammar.
What? Insanely well with his grammar.
Or calm. You know what I mean.
Alright, and then you take your
Doing
crimper.
video.
What about it? Didn't you post that?
No. The previous video had the hate comment.
Which one?
The one before the Doom video.
Spoopy.
Yeah, that was
Crunch
it.
it down.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, if you're subscribed to Kalosity, unsubscribe. That's
That's not
CALO.
Channel fucking sucks, you faggot.
CITEY, I believe.
COLOCITY.
CITEY.
Yeah, so it's Kalosity. So unsubscribe to him.
Is
He's-
it Colo?
it's kind of it's kind of a bad
There is
channel.
an A. I don't know why you don't
There's
see
no
that
A.
there's an A. I
Alright.
literally zoomed in on it.
CALO.
And there you go. That's how you make a cable. And then
It's
if you
just a front
want,
facing, so it's
if
not
you
the
want
base
to
good. I think
test
it's 8
it,
megapixel at 30 FPS.
hold on.
I think.
All right. So now, if you want to test it, you take your thing, get your tester.
Just have lying around.
Yeah, if you just have a tester lying around, you just put it in there. And it passed. Okay, thanks for watching.
Imagine it failed.
Thanks for watching my YouTube video, and we'll see you next time. This prank was pretty funny, so hope you like it. He was just playing his game, and we pranked him. It was pretty funny, so. If you like this tutorial, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time on Harry TV.